Hey guys, it's Erica from Erica Marie Plans. Welcome back to my channel for another plan with me. This is a very long overdue plan with me. I know I have not posted in almost 2 weeks. Probably by the time when this video goes up, it will be 2 weeks. I am currently in California, so I'm here visiting my family. Honestly, the main reason why we came here is yes, my boyfriend wanted to visit his family, and yes, I wanted to visit my family. But in my past plan with me, as I've mentioned, that my dog, our family dog, is really sick right now. So that was the main reason why I came home. I wanted to just kind of get my last loves in with him and like my last visit. So just here hanging out with him. So that's why I've been very quiet on my YouTube channel. I've been quite active on my Instagram lately, just kind of like reposting other people's stuff, and I don't know, I just think it's fun reposting other people's like spreads, and just like when there's sales going on, like what you, I mean, not necessarily should be doing on Instagram, but like what I had the intentions of doing on Instagram. So yes, I don't know what else to say. I don't have my planner with me either. I'm still in California right now. We actually plan on going home Sunday morning. So, Sunday morning, which is what, the 17th, 16th? So I'm just kind of chilling, waiting to go home. I'm so ready to go home. Yes, I'm gonna miss my family, but I honestly have been craving like planning, like putting stickers down, like it's all I've been like thinking about, and I'm just ready to go home. And I have so much Happy Meal at home waiting for me. So get ready for a huge haul. It'll probably be a two-part haul because it's going to be such a long video. But get ready for that. So yeah, so a little bit about this spread. This spread is from, or this kit is from Crest Press. I purchased it last year. It's definitely an older kit. It's a mini kit, and I did forget to purchase the glitter headers. So I added these glitter headers I got from an Oops bag, or I think that's what she calls them. It's from Rose Colored Days. They're super old, but I never used them, and I felt like it matched pretty well to use it for this spread. And then this kit is called Tropicana. Oh, what is it called? Some Tropicana something. I can't remember. It'll be in the title. But I used this art as well, like last year, because I loved it so much. It was my favorite summer art that was available last year. I think I used the one from SPC, and then I purchased this one from Crest Press, and I think I purchased another one from another shop. I can't remember what shop though, but this was my favorite, so I wanted to use it again this summer, and I really, really love the way it turned out. Even though it was a mini kit, I definitely had to pull in some boxes from my collection, but it was really nice having to do that because I have such a large collection of like functional stickers I don't use often, so it was good to kind of dig into that. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get started. It's been so long since I've done any planner related things in voiceover, so I'm a little rusty right now, but we'll go ahead and get started. Like I said, I don't have my planner with me. I do have my like planner that I write down everything in, so I think that'll be enough, but let's see if this matches up. So moving on to the day by day, this is for the week of July 20th through the 26th. First thing I marked on Monday is that I woke up early, so I used a munchkin to mark that. I think that's a munchkin. Pretty sure that's a munchkin. And a wake up early script from Kinsey's Creations, which she's having a sale right now, so make sure to go purchase from her. She's having her like maternity leave sale, so everything's 30% off, so go check that out. I will have her shop link down below. Um, Also, I purchased some stuff from Lululemon this day, so I used another munchkin to mark that, and a Lululemon script from Kinsey's Creations. And then, oh, what did I just mark? I can't see now because obviously it's now not in frame. So I'll get back to that. I also marked that I went on a Target run. The Target run script is from SPC, and the Target icon is from Sadie's Stickers. I also actually pulled in a wiggle. This was her ivory wiggle, I think it was. It was definitely a lot lighter than what I was hoping it would be, but I really like the way it turned out. So some of the things you can't really see. This day was also the first day of baseball. It's like an exhibition game, so I watched that, and it was so exciting to finally watch baseball. And I think that's what I also marked in my sidebar, like as my main thing for that week. So the Giants game script is a custom from Kinsey's Creations, and I use a munchkin to mark the baseball game. Also had a beer this day, which was really nice, beer and baseball. And then I used a TV icon from SPC to mark that we watched Dexter that night. Also here I'm putting in my tracker scripts. Those are from Letters to Apollo. I was tracking my vitamins and water this day. Oh, and then Monday I marked that I had my nail appointment. That box is from My Newest Addiction and the script is from SPC. Moving on into Tuesday. The first thing I'm marking is I had my day off. At Lululemon, we were able to have a personal day and get like full pay, like full 8 hours, full time, like pay, which was really nice. So I decided to take it this day. So I had kind of like a 4 day weekend, which was really cool. No, 3 day weekend, sorry. So I had a 3 day weekend, and so that was really nice that we got to just kind of take a day off and relax and get paid for it. So I used a script from SBC to mark my day off, and like I said, you can barely see it, but that was the one thing I didn't like about the ivory wiggle. It was lighter than what I thought, but it's okay. You can see it in real life, but in pictures, it's probably not going to be the best. I also went on a run this day, and then I used a girl running sticker from Happy Daya and a run script from SPC. I decided to make some brunch. The brunch script is from Kinsey's Creations, and the bacon sticker is from Fox and Cactus. And then underneath that, I marked, what did I mark? I'm like taking a little while to put my sticker on. Oh, I was cutting it up because I didn't, like I said, this was the mini kit, so I didn't have a lot of like boxes and labels to use, so I had to cut some up. But it was also a very stormy day. Oh, it was a very cloudy day, sorry. It's so weird, like it's really cloudy all the time where we live. It's mainly not even clouds, it's dust, but it gets like that very often where I live. And then since I had the day off, I decided to kind of make it a relaxing slash cleaning day. So I vacuumed the whole house this day. That vacuum doodle is from Papershire and the vacuum script is from SPC. We also went on a grocery run. I think it was like a quick grocery run. We just needed a couple things, so we went to the Fry's grocery store, which is kind of like I don't know, it's like our local grocery store. And then the grocery run script is from SPC. And then also this day, I really wanted to mark this because I was like, oh my gosh. So the day before I posted on my Instagram that I was watching the Giants game, and then I was looking at the people who like looked at my Instagram because, I mean, you do that. And I saw that Brandon Crawford on the Giants actually watched my Instagram story, and that was really, really cool. So I was just like really excited about that. And then to end my day, this day I called my dad, and then the call script is from SPC. The dad script is actually a custom from Kinsey's Creations, which I think might be like an actual sticker in her shop now. You don't have to order it custom, I think. And then an icon from SPC. Moving on to Wednesday. Oh boy, Wednesday, I bought a lot of stickers that day. So I used a Pumpkin Paper Co. girl to mark that, and I'm a down ho for stickers from Kinsey's Creations. I also had a very, I don't know, good idea this day. I wanted to bring to my boyfriend's attention, so it was just kind of something I don't want to talk about quite yet, but I did mark that in there. And then we also, this day, DoorDash finally added so many things on DoorDash. We kind of live out in the middle of nowhere, so there's not a lot of places on there, but they added I think like 60 new places, which oh my god, we were so happy about. So of course, first thing we DoorDash was Crumble, which is our favorite cookie place. And then I also marked that we ended our night watching Bones, which I think this was the day I started watching Bones, and it was just really nice to do that. Okay, moving on into Thursday. Thursday, I woke up early, which I tend to do every morning, but I don't know why. Sometimes I mark it, sometimes I don't. But I had my morning coffee, and it was a really good cup of coffee this day. I also washed my hair, and I used an emoji to mark that. And then I think I can't obviously go back and see what I marked, but I think up above that I marked that it was a good day at work. Oh no, I'm marking that here. So with the Munchkin, I marked that it was a good day on live chat, and usually I struggle with being on live chat, but recently I've just been getting used to it because I've been on it a lot more. So it's been really nice feeling more comfortable with that. And then this was opening day of baseball, which was so exciting. I think we lost because, hello, we're the Giants, and my team's not very good. So, Giants lost, I believe, their opening game. And then I also did some online shopping at Lululemon, and we ended our night with watching Dexter. Oh, and then up above, I marked that I vacuumed, and that girl is from SPC, and the vacuum script is from Kinsey's Creations. Like I said at the beginning, this plan with me is kind of going to be like all over the place because I don't have my planner to look at. So I apologize again. Moving on into Friday, July 24th, I started my morning with a really bad headache. And so I used where is this sticker from? Stick with the Plan Co. sticker, and then a headache script from Kinsey's Creations. It was also payday this day, and so I used a payday script from SPC and some washi that came with the kit. And then underneath that, let's see, what do I mark? I don't know. I'm just waiting. I should have edited this all out, but I didn't. Okay, so with a little thing, I am marking that, that I caught up on some of my comments on my Instagram, on my Instagram and my YouTube channel. So I usually tend to just like do it all at once. And then I also did some laundry and I did some editing this day. I used a Munchkin to mark that. And it was also a really stormy, rainy day this day, which was so weird. It was like 105 outside and pouring down rain, so it felt like you were literally in a sauna when I opened the door to go outside to like let the dogs out. It was crazy. I've never felt that before. And then also this day, Taylor Swift's new album came out, which I'm a huge Taylor Swift fan. And then I decided to call my dad this day, and I think this was the day I let him know that we were coming back home next week. So he was really excited to hear that news. And then also, this day, what am I marking with that? I'm not quite sure what I'm marking. I think I may have marked, I don't know what I used to mark or what I used for that Munchkin sticker, the Andrea Munchkin sticker. Let's see. Yeah, really don't know. And then I marked that I had my Lululemon delivery this day, and I marked that I had breakfast for dinner. Yeah, I'm so sorry. I don't know what I marked for with that Munchkin. So I'll have to go back, or we'll see at the end once I write everything down. But moving on into Saturday. Saturday, first thing I am marking is that I had an early morning. I do work early on Saturdays, but I think I woke up like extra early this day because I wanted to have like a good me time before starting work. So that sticker is from Pumpkin Paper Co. And then the morning coffee sticker is from Station Stickers, which is no longer open, but she does have a printable shop, so you can go check her out. And then I also marked that I washed my hair, and I used a Munchkin to mark that, and a wash hair script from Letters to Apollo. Also this day I did have, it was a super, super slow day at work. So I literally did nothing at work. So I listened to Taylor Swift's new album this day. So I used an emoji to mark that. And then after work, I decided to do some laundry. So I used a Whimsical Cat Studio sticker to mark the laundry and the laundry script from Letters to Apollo. And then this day I was just in my feelings. I don't remember why, but I marked that on there that I just was not feeling the greatest. In my feeling script is from SPC, and I use a Fox and Cactus like Anxiety Girl to mark that. I also had a planning session this day, so I was just kind of pulling some stickers. I think I filmed a plan with me as well, so that was really fun. Oh, and I planned in my A5 because, like I said, I was doing nothing at work and had nothing to do, so I decided to just do a little bit of planning. And then I ended my night with watching some Bones. And then actually the bone sticker is from Letters to Apollo. It was a $2 Tuesday way back when, like months ago, and so I'm happy I get to use those now. Moving on into Sunday, the last day of the week. So Sunday, I woke up super early this day. The Wake Up Early script is from Right Brain Paper Co., which she is finally back open. She is having a sale right now, I think. I don't know if it'll still be going on by the time this uploads because I'm at my dad's house and the internet sucks here. So it's gonna probably take me like 18 hours to upload this video. So I don't know if it's currently going on anymore, but I wanted to mark that. Also had a super, super lazy Sunday, like your typical lazy Sunday. We stayed in our pajamas all day, which I have not done in so long. So I decided to just, you know what, I'm gonna have a lazy Sunday. I'm not gonna even make coffee. I'm not gonna make breakfast. So we decided to do a Starbucks run to get all of those things. I also actually did do some grocery shopping because I needed some, what did I need? I think I needed more coffee for like the next day, but I didn't feel like making my coffee that day, so I did a Starbucks run in the meantime. Um, and then before I was able to like really be lazy, I wanted to vacuum the house because I just like a clean house. So I did vacuum the house and then I watched some Bones. Um, and then this day, I'm marking here, I'm just kind of marking things out of order, but we ended our night with watching this movie on Netflix called Old Guard. Going into it, did not think it was going to be a good movie, but it was such a good movie. 10 out of 10 recommend. Definitely go watch that. And then in the middle of my day, I decided to call Gabby. We like to have our calls like on Sundays. So it's the same day I call my dad. If I don't call him throughout the week, I have to call him on Sunday. So I have to call him at least once a week. So Sundays are like our day. And so I also do that for Gabby. So I had my call with Gabby. And then we also had not a pizza night. We had like a pizza day. Like that was our lunch that we had. But yeah, so we had pizza, DoorDashed it, and that's pretty much it. I am so sorry that this plan with me is kind of all over the place. Maybe now we can see what we use that Andrea Munchkin to mark. Oh, that it was a great day on phones this day. That's what I marked. So I had a great day at work, apparently. But this is what my spread looks like. I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope this was not too like much for you guys and like didn't really understand what was going on. I really tried my best with not having my planner with me to see everything. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this. If you guys want to see close-ups, make sure to follow me on Instagram. It's Erica Marie Plans. Make sure to like that button if you guys like this video and hit subscribe to see more videos from me. And if you guys have any questions, ask them down below in the comments and I'll be more than happy to answer them. And I will see you guys in my next video. All right, bye guys.